Rate can be as high as 250 breaths per minute. Number 5. Some hummingbird species undertake impressive migrations. For instance, the rufous hummingbird migrates over 3,000 miles, 4,800 kilometers, from Alaska to Mexico, and back each year. Number 6. The bee hummingbird are the smallest birds in the world. On average, they measure around 3 to 5 inches, 7.5 to 13 centimeters, in length, and weigh only a few grams. Number 7. Hummingbirds possess impressive spatial memory and navigational skills, allowing them to remember the locations of numerous food sources.